the world. Not a SAF meet. Not a SAF meet. We're now looking at the start of one more event. This is the 5,000 meters for the men, which has just got underway. The meet record is S Singh at Kochi, 14 minutes 10.77. We still continue to talk with MD Valsalma out here. In the lead at this point is Mohit Chaudhary, the under 20, 14 minutes 09.71 meet record at Bhubaneswar. And then we also have Prince Kumar from Saharanpur in India. Prince Kumar gold in Ranchi at this very ground in September in the 10,000 meters. That's Mohit Chaudhary, and along with him is Prince Kumar. It will go on for a long, long time, and also gives me an opportunity to talk to MD Valsama. The lead in the very beginning, a different strategy. Yes, a different strategy. So it will be between these two. Mohit Chaudhary, I saw a lot of him. We were live on the AFI channel when he won the gold in Bhubaneswar in the 500, 5,000 and the 10,000 meters. And we also have Prince Kumar, a gold in Ranchi, All India Police Meet, the 5 kilometers as well. Well, amazing strategy here for these two. So, I asked you this question. Unlike the 100, the 200, and the 400, 5,000, with the temperatures now dipping a little bit in Ranchi, ideal for the 5,000 meters? So the two are pulling away. This combination of the two Indians, the field out here in the men, Vikraj Vaksan of Sri Lanka, Ganesh Rawat of Nepal, Dishan Ugyen of Bhutan, Mukesh Bahadurpal of Nepal, the two Indians, Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary, Amin of Bangladesh, and Guava Zangpo of Bhutan. 8 of them started off. None of the others, MD, are seen on your picture frame, only these two. The others are now coming in. This, I suspect, will be 1 and 2 for the Indians. So looks as if the first gold medal here is the other Indian, 185, Prince Kumar of Saharanpur, representing India. Now moving ahead. You've got to have a different strategy. You start off with, was there any particular reason why you took to the 400 hurdles as a specialty? In your case?
Meters hurdle. Then I have endurance also, and I was running 400 meters also. So I took over for 400 meters hurdle.
Was it easy to change from the 100 hurdles to the 400 hurdles?
If endurance is there, no problem.
No problem. That's right.
Because in relay, 400 meters we are running, 200 meters we are running.
Now look at this. Back to the 5,000 meters. Yes. It's going to be a cat and mouse game. I think Mohit Chaudhary might turn around and say, my time has come now, but Prince Kumar will obviously want to push him. They're going in for 3 minutes 45 right now, so virtually a long way to go. The senior record is 13:11.82 at Niigata in Japan. And let me remind you that that record I'm talking of is by a SAF athlete anywhere in the world. Japan is not a SAF country, so that record was set by a SAF athlete in another part of the world. The meet record in 2008, 14 minutes 10.77 by S. Singh at Kochi. Wonderful place, isn't it? Is that your favorite place? Any memories of your performance in Kochi?
No, sir. At that time, the stadium has not come up.
Not come up. Now they have a beautiful stadium. It's still the two Indians absolutely neck to neck, not much to choose. Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary, as I did mention, under 20, 14 minutes 09.71. If he does manage to clock that time, he might break the meet record. But Prince Kumar is not one to give up. He's right now in the lead. They are virtually. That's right. Yes, they still have quite some time to go. This is the 5,000 meters. Plenty of endurance that they need. Valsama has been talking of the word endurance. Today, endurance sports has become very popular.
Yes, sir.
Far and here at the Birsa Munda Football Stadium, hosted the national games. Well, sometimes when you are neck to neck, you are from the same country, do you turn around and talk to each other?
No, not at all, sir.
Now look at Mohit Chaudhary. Do you then say, we are friends outside the field, but out here it's me and you, each against the other?
Yeah, rivalry, definitely, sir.
Rivalry, that's the word, rivalry.
Yeah.
You can have a dinner together after the event is over, but not on the field. On the ground, rivals.
You're running for the country.
You're running for the country, absolutely.
No friendship there.
No friendship, yes. सब भाईबंदी फील्ड के बाहर में.
Yes, sir. Wherever we are close friends.
Close friends. Yes, it's still a battle there between these two, Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary. The strategy is very clear. The two decided that, the two don't seem to be having much of a competition. MD,
They are practicing together.
they're practicing together. Yeah, but when you don't have competition from the others, do you then tend to take it slightly easy? No?
Definitely these two are there now. They are tight competition.
Yes, tight competition. The others trying to now catch up, but I don't think that's going to be possible. They are halfway through out here. We still got 7 more laps to go. So that's plenty of time. Plenty of time. 7 laps for these two athletes to go here in the 5,000 meters. How easy or difficult is it for the 5,000 meter athletes to switch to the 3,000 meter steeplechase? Is it easy? I don't remember Avinash Sable 3,000 meters steeplechase.
So they have a 5,000 meters endurance is there. Then definitely 3,000 meters they can do.
They can do, that's right, yes.
They have more endurance.
They have more endurance. This is an event
And
where
we have a running 400 meters. We have to do practice 6,000 meters and 5,000.
Yes.
500 meters, 6,000.
600 meters,
Yes.
which is what they now do at the junior nationals.
Yes, sir.
When you look at these two boys, one name which comes to mind is Surinder Singh, represented the Garhwal Rifles, held the national record in the 5,000 and the 10,000, comes from the Garhwal region. Saharanpur, one boy, the other is Mohit Chaudhary, two wonderful athletes running in the India colours. What a moment it is when you wear those colours, Valsama.
These colors, from the beginning it was the same.
Yeah, but when you wear those colours, it's such a proud moment.
Yeah, definitely the proud moment for we are running for India. Cricket.
You're running for India, yes. We now have 5 laps to go. Let me remind you, it's the two Indians up there, which is Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary. Incidentally, when you talk of the 5,000 meters, well, Sama, just going back to this event, the 5,000 meters, where we have had the Ethiopians, the Moroccans, the Kenyans, all of them come so well in the 5,000 meters. Joseph Cheptegei of Uganda, that's another country which has done well in the 5,000 meters.
The other two boys are not bad.
Yes. And they don't look as if they are tired at all. Looking over each other's shoulders.
Boys are ready.
Yes, the lead is now being narrowed down.
Yeah.
Yes, that's good. The Sri Lankan now. Oh, look at the Sri Lankan now.
They only hardly 10 to 15 meters only.
Yes, that's the Sri Lankan Vignaraj Vaksan. We've got 4 laps to go. Are we looking at a surprise?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There's a
Nepal.
There's a Nepalese boy out there in the middle. That's the two of them, Ganesh Rawat and Mukesh Bahadur Pal. We all thought that the Indians might just walk away with this. That's the beauty of sports. We still have 4 laps.
Close, very close.
Yes, extremely close. The Nepalese there is the second of them, that's Mukesh Bahadur Pal. But these two are not going to give up. Mohit Chaudhary and Prince Kumar. Nepal through Mukesh Bahadur and Waksan of Sri Lanka. And when you have events,
Running his face was little fast.
yes, catching up now. Catch me if you can is the mantra for these two Indians. 3 laps to go, which means 1,200 meters. Anyone's race now. Anyone's race now.
There,
Valsama, I'm sure the crowd must be worried.
really.
And those who are watching this live telecast must be worried. You know, I was about to say that the gold and the silver is going to India.
You can't predict anything, sir.
Yes,
Anything can happen.
anything can happen in sports. Who better to tell you that than Valsama? 400 hurdles. Have you had a situation like this?
Yes,
Where
like Asian Games, sir. Asian Games, did Asian Games में up to 10th hurdle they were leading. Japanese and Chinese were leading. Then only the run-up I catch up.
wonderful, wonderful. There you are. How can you forget that event? Yes, how can you forget? And what was it that made you catch up? Inner strength?
In the strength, definitely, sir. Because I know the Japanese and Chinese are
2 to go now. 2 laps to go now. 800 meters. Oh, what a fascinating event. What more can you ask for? What an event this is turning out. Yes,
yes.
it's the Nepalese now. Mukesh Bahadur Pal. The advantage, Valsama, I think, of training at high altitude for the Nepalese.
Definitely, sir. That's advantage is there.
So, one of the Indians now dropping to 3. The Sri Lankan Waksan also close on the heels. The lead now with Prince Kumar. He'll have to get all his energy out here.
Okay.
Well, there you are, there you are. Is it going to be an Indian? Or will it be the Nepalese? Will it be 2 Indians? What more can you ask for? Here comes.
One more.
So we are now into the last lap. 400 meters to go from here on. The bell will now go. There goes the bell. 400 meters.
Yes, yes. They have to sprint.
Yes.
Not only- yes, yes. They have to start sprint.
They have to start sprinting. That's what Valsama says. The Indian starts doing it. That is, I think, Prince Kumar. Yes, look at him, the boy from Saharanpur.
Oh, others are catching up.
The others are catching. Oh, yes.
It's a very competition.
Well, I love this. Valsama is helping me with the commentary out here. He looks over his shoulders.
He is back. Oh, good. See, he's leading, sir. Leading, sir.
The sprint now comes from Mukesh.
Come on.
Yes, that's the word. Come on for the Indian. The Nepalese boy
Oh,
and
last
the
pump.
Sri Lankan.
Pumps. They have to run all out. Yes.
What a race,
Yeah,
what a race.
Good. He's running fast, very good.
Yes.
Great, sir. Great, sir.
So Prince Kumar takes the gold. Sri Lanka
Games silver.
with Waksan takes the silver.
Are going in the pool.
And well, the favorite, I thought, Mohit Chaudhary. Sometimes the favorites also get beaten. Yeah, what a race this turned out to be. What a race this turned out to be.
Superb.
So if you get races, Valsama, of this nature, the live telecast becomes interesting. The spectators love this. And then the
Others are
finish.
one round behind.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
great moment, sir. Once I started the victory lap, that around 80,000 people were in the stadium. They have started standing up and it's like a wave.
Like away 14 minutes 22.17 for Pune altitude somewhere.